Good morning, class 10th. Today we will do exercise 1.2. First question saying express each number as a product of its prime factors 140. First part 140. So 140. Do we have prime factors of 140? 2 7s are 14, 0. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. 5 7s are 35, 7s are 7. So express it 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. Done. Question number 2 saying find the LCM SCF and verify formula 26 and 91. 26 and 91 first part. So since we will write prime factors of 26 and 91, do we have 26, 13 2s are 26, so 2 and 13, and 91 we know that 13 7s are 91, so 7 and 13. So 2 into 13, here 7 into 13. Now SCF, common 13, LCM, non-common 2 into 7 into 13. 13 7s are 91, 2s are 182. LCM. Now product of numbers is equal to SCF into LCM. So product of numbers 26 into 91, SCF 13 into 182. Multiply here 2366, 2366. Verify. Now next question. Question number 3, same as question number 2. We will find SCF LCM using prime factorization method. Question number 4, same as, you have to use this formula, then you will find the value. Question number 5c, check whether 6 to the power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. Question number 5. Since number ends with 0 is divisible by 10, to the power n, or 2 into 5 to the power n. Similarly, a number ends with 0 is divisible by 10 to the power n, or 2 into 5 to the power n. So it is also divisible by 2 or 5. Similarly, 6 to the power n is equal to 2 into 3 to the power n. And here 2 and 5 are not the prime factors of 6. Therefore 6 to the power n cannot be end with 0. Clear? Is saying prove that 6 to the power n can end with 0. It is not possible because prime factors of 6 to the power n, 2 into 3 to the power n, and here not of prime factors of 6 is are 2 and 5. Therefore 6 to the power n cannot be end with 0. It is necessary for ending with 0. Prime factors will be 2 into 5 form. And here In prime factors of 6, there are only prime factors 2 and 3. Therefore, it cannot be ended with 0. Thank you, class.